Hi everyone, this is introduced you Patch the dog cushion. Very huggable, so he's quite flat but he's huggable. He's stuffed with toy stuffing. He's made with sheepsy 4-ply cotton, used double. You could use any other 4-ply cotton double or even an Aran cotton because it makes it up into sort of Aran weight. Paint box do them I think, and I think you can get individual small ones, or you could use your scraps. So here he is, and he's that side he's pink and this side he's green. You can make him any colour you like, mix him up, whatever. And big buttons for his eyes either side. So to start him off we need to make, yes, 54 squares, 27 each side. So here's the first one.